Today we will be discussing about natural language processing in Amazon Web Services. The first service is text to speech, where it simply converts the given input text into speech. There are two types of speech types, the neural and the standard one. Both are free services in Azure Free Tier. If you want, you can check it out with an account in Amazon Web Services. The first one is neural, which mostly sounds like a human-like speech. A standard, which sounds like a bot. We have multiple options, language options. Once we select English Indian, we will be getting those voice options too, but only Kajal female voice is available, so we'll be just using it.
Hello, my name is Kajal. I can read any text you type here.
Now let's check it out with Hindi. Yes. Yes.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम काजल। मैं आपके द्वारा यहाँ टाइप किए गए किसी भी वाक्य को पढ़ सकती हूँ।
As of now, all languages are not available. Only few languages are available. Here, custom pronunciation. There is an option called upload lexicon, which is simply to say that you can format the words. Like for example, if you give the word Amazon Web Services, it will convert into AWS. It was a special customization option that was added to Amazon Poly. In simple terms, if they are most commonly special words that is used in your organization, you can simply convert them into special words. For example, what is, what's, like that. Most popular users of this Amazon Poly services are the Washington Post, which and where we will be having the option of hearing the audio format of the article, where we will use these Amazon Poly services so that we can select the language, which type of language we want to hear that article. And for this natural language like human speech, NTTS, where all regions are not available for this type of services, only throughout the world, only 13 regions are available for this particular type of service. As this needs some additional hardware requirements, so we'll be having only 13 regions supporting it. As I'm deploying it in North Virginia, USA, it has a NTTS support. So it is working in North Virginia. Our next one is called Amazon Comprehend, which will give insights for your documents. In simple words to say, if you type any document, it will be giving you insights. We'll just copy this input text. Now we'll be using this one. An example one which was given by Amazon itself. It was we are using the built-in analysis step. This was mostly used to create a sentiment analysis, how the customer feels, and what was the objects or any other features that he has given in the following text. For example, we can say that any company financial services is a company, or we can say it as an organization. We can say here, as a human, we can detect it, but as a mission, this service will detect it. So mostly when you are typing in a chatbot, these types of services will use to get real-time analysis of the text you have inputted. Mostly companies prefer custom build, but we are just testing out, so we are using built-in recognition. So these are some of its steps. Uh, for custom or companies mostly use the APIs to make it much more fast and easier. These are the key phases used throughout this example text, and this was the language. It was English, which was detected by this AWS comprehend. And this was the personally identifiable information, as this was personal information like name, account number, address. So these were identified. You can see here, these are the personal information of that customer, which was maintained, which was given. and pronoun types of speech are also separated for better analytics purpose. We can use custom classification, custom entity recognition. For example, if you give any tracking numbers, these will be separated as they are custom points. Okay. And this the final service was Amazon Translate, which in terms we can say it's very similar to Google Translate, which we use it, but this was for organizations or companies to integrate in their applications. Testing it, Telugu. Just it converts into Telugu. I have kept it in auto. Okay, and we have additional settings like formatting, custom terminology. Using this JSON responses, the applications are integrated mostly.